Hi, I am Robin from Infarmian. I'm going to spend a few minutes explaining exactly what to expect from the Thought Leader Formula online course. Now, this is a foundational system and applicable to every industry. If you want to become known for your brain and your ideas, this is a great place for you to start. If you want to break into the world of speaking on stage, again, another great place for you to start. Now, by the end of the course, my goal for you is to have a solid draft foundation and clear next steps you need to take in order to launch yourself into a strong and successful thought leader. Now, there are 2 action items that you need to do immediately, and that is to download the multi-tab recording system and the workbook. Now, at the end of each module, there are going to be action items. The workbook and the spreadsheet outline your action items and provide an easy fill-in-the-blank style roadmap to get that foundation in place and catalyze you and your success. Now, the course is designed so that you can either jot down answers during the modules or afterwards. Feel free to flip over to other tabs on your computer or just have the module playing in the background while you are doing things like getting ready in the morning or cooking dinner or potentially cleaning up the house. Whatever it is, you can have this playing in the background, driving to work. Now, the point is I want you to move forward as quickly and easily as possible. Now, here's a brief overview of the 10 modules. Starting with the intro, we're going to explore how and why thought leadership benefits you specifically, broken into different categories from executives to entrepreneurs, healthcare professionals, consultants, employees, accountants and lawyers, investors, scientists, and more. Module 1, we're going to dive into what your main goals are and your why, what you do and why you do what you do. We're also going to explore your particular skill set. Now, Module 2, all about revenue streams. What revenue streams do you have in your life and what can we add? Module 3 will outline how you look at your career and being a thought leader as an actual business. And I'll introduce you to You Inc. Module 4 dives into building credibility and confidence so people can trust you and value your ideas. Module 5, all about branding. How to do it, the different components you need to think about, and what's important to include. Module 6, how to build content and how to get it in front of the right people to feed your revenue streams that we have already identified. I'm going to take you through creating avatars of your ideal audience. And I'll also explain different options for writing a book, how to get that done instead of just sitting in front of your computer and trying to type out a couple hundred pages. And then how do you go about getting a book published, especially if you are an unknown first-time author. Module 7, networking. I'm going to teach you how to be a networking ninja. Identify the right events to attend, how to deal with imposter syndrome and FOMO, the fear of missing out, how to read body language when you are networking at an event, and more. Module 8, I'm going to take you through everything you need to do to prepare for that very first keynote. The script, the slides, the storyline, and then what training do you need? What skills do you need to acquire and how do you get those in order to be a really good speaker? Module 9, this is the longest and with good reason because this is the one most people are dying to know about. It tells you how to get on stage and it gives you a deep behind the scenes tour of what types of events are going to pay you, whether it's just for your travel and your hotel or if they're going to pay a top dollar 5-figure speaker honorarium. And why some of these events can afford to do that and why other events cannot. I'll also cover how these different types of events choose their speakers and a lot of other hints that's going to help you get on stage for those first 10 to 15 keynotes. And lastly, Module 10, This is going to help you with efficient time management tips. And I'm going to give you a lot of different tricks in this particular module so you can design your life and career perfectly for you. And you can get that extra time in your day in order to accomplish this. So if this course sounds like a really good fit, go ahead and get it now. And I will see you in the next video.